guys, how you are? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a simple card magic trick, and I'm going to reveal this trick at the end of this video. So please don't skip the video and watch till there. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So without any delay, let's go. So I'll just move the cards like this, and you just need to touch any card you want, and I will tell the card which you have taken. This card? See the card. Okay, the card you have taken is 6 of diamonds. So I'll just move the cards like this, and you just need to stop at a place wherever you want. Okay? You ready? Stop. Here? Yeah, okay. See the card. So the card which you have taken is J of Hearts. Right? Select any card which you want. And I will tell you the card which you have taken. Select any card. Okay? You give it back, the card. So I'm just putting in a random position wherever. I don't know where I'm putting also. Okay? I close the deck. So now I will take the card which you have taken. See. Is your card is visible now? See? Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes.
This is the card you have taken, right? Cut it. So in the first trick, you just need to remember the last card of your deck. So the last card of my deck is 9 of Hearts. So you have to ask your spectator to touch any card by spreading the cards like this. So the spectator will select a random card. For example, if the spectator touch this card, so just you need to do is that just pull the cards to one side and these cards to one side, and just you need to drag this last card like this with the 9 of Hearts. So the last card will comes to here, and you need to show the last card to the spectator, and you know the card, obviously it's 9 of Hearts. Okay, so obviously you will tell the card is 9 of Hearts. Okay, so that's the trick. So in the second trick, the first thing you need to do is just you need to see the top card of your deck. So the top card of my deck is 5 of Hearts. Just by seeing the spectator into the eyes and just talking with him something blah blah blah, you need to see anyhow, you need to see the top card of your deck. So the top card of my deck is 5 of Hearts. So after seeing the card, you have to ask the spectator to stop at a place wherever he wants. So the spectator will randomly say the stop over here. So you need to drag the last card with these 3 fingers and replace the last card with this right hand break where the spectator said stop. So the card comes over here, 5 of Hearts. So obviously the spectator will pick up the card 5 of Hearts, and you know the card, obviously it's 5 of Hearts. So I will tell the card is 5 of Hearts. So in the third trick, you need to insert a different card into the deck. And after inserting, so don't show the insert card to the spectator, and make sure that no one has to be on your backside while doing this magic. Because once he finds out the different card in the deck, obviously he can understand the trick. So make sure no one should have to be on backside. Okay? So ask your spectator to choose a card. So for example, the spectator chosen the J of Hearts, and close the deck and again open the deck. Now ask the spectator to give the card back, and you just have to put this J of hearts either on front side of the different card or back side of the different card. So I'm just putting the front side of my different card and just closing the deck. So again open the deck and ask your spectator to see where his card. So obviously the spectator will say yes. Yes, my card is there. So just pull the card of the spectator and close the deck. And here is the card of the spectator, J of hearts. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video.